Today's recipe is hot sticky frog's legs. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is hot sticky frog's legs. I enjoy cooking Filipino food and exotic recipes from around the world. Here are the ingredients of my hot sticky frog's legs. Frog's legs, brown sugar, soy sauce, paprika, ginger, ground black pepper, fish sauce, garlic, honey, hot chili sauce, and 7-Up. You can also use Sprite. Now let's prepare the frog's legs. Wait until the end of this video for sticky tip of some of my recipes. Now let's make the marinade for my hot sticky frog's legs. In a mixing bowl, add all the wet ingredients. Hot chili sauce, honey, soy sauce, fish sauce, and 7-Up. Let's mix it up. Now we can add all the dry ingredients. Garlic. It smells lovely. Ginger. Paprika. Ground black pepper. And brown sugar. Mix thoroughly. And now we can add the frog's legs. And give it a good mix. Cover and marinate overnight in the fridge. We marinate it for 3 hours, but ideally you can marinate it overnight. Now let's take it out from the fridge. Wow, smells of this is gorgeous. Can't wait to eat it. Oh, I love this music. It makes me wanna dance. Oh, we have to start cooking. In a cold pot, just add the frog's legs and the marinade juice. And bring to boil. Now it's boiling, just baste every couple minutes. Don't cover so that the hot sticky sauce will reduce and caramelize. To make my hot sticky frog's legs. After 5 minutes, let's turn the frog's legs over. To cook the other side. As you can see, the sauce is reducing nicely and it's becoming very sticky. Guys, cook these hot sticky frog's legs on a high heat so that the juice will caramelize. After 10 minutes of total cooking time, your hot sticky frog's legs are now ready. Serve with rice and enjoy! Now let's taste it. Wow! These hot sticky frog's legs are really hot. Now let's try one. Wow, that's a hot sticky frog's legs. Try some. And that's That's a bigger one. I hope you enjoy my hot sticky frog legs today. And if you like it, like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.